NCH Chem Aqua is your sustainability partner, providing customers with unbeatable water treatment solutions to help reduce your company's environmental footprint through water and energy savings. NCH Chem Aqua water treatment programs are safe and reliable. They increase productivity, maximizing the efficiency of boilers, cooling towers, chillers, and other water system equipment. Water treatment is integral to achieve water and energy savings, while protecting equipment from scaling, corrosion, and microbiological problems. NCH Chem Aqua has sustainable solutions like BioXile, biofilm cleaning solutions; AquaDart, state-of-the-art automation water treatment control system; BioDart, new patented biofouling monitor; HandyChem, innovative and environmental solid water treatment; BDI, Boiler Deposit Index, to manage boiler water treatment efficiently. NCH Chem Aqua delivers specialized water treatment programs designed for your requirements. With over 100 years' worth of expertise, we can ensure your company meets its sustainability goals. Industries that NCH Chem Aqua serves are manufacturing, commercial building, healthcare, hospitality, air separation, food and beverages, data centers, automotive, sugar mills, and more. NCH Chem Aqua, your leader in complete water treatment solutions. Speak to NCH today about creating a custom water treatment program for your business.